Geodemographic segmentation. What is it and what is it used for? Let's imagine a scenario. You're a data scientist working at a bank, and this bank has lots and lots of customers. And at some point you decide to take a random sample of these customers and take a snapshot in that point in time. Meaning that you gather all the information you can on these customers. And we're talking about things like age, gender, how many products they have with your bank, whether or not they have a credit card, how long they've been with your bank, and things like that. So as much as information as you can. And you attach it to their records. In this case, for simplicity, we're going to track two things. The first thing is gender, as you can see here, and the second thing is their favorite color. Now, tracking the favorite color of a customer or bank might not add a lot of value. However, this is just a representation for something, for any other variable. It's just for simplicity's sake in this specific example. And then what you do is you track these customers for the next 6 months. And 6 months down the track, you look back and assess which of these customers left your bank and which of these customers stayed. So my question to you here is, do you think that this information would be helpful to you? That you now know that out of a sample, which is quite a large sample, let's say 10,000 customers, out of that sample, every single female whose favorite color is red left your bank. And and 2/3 of the males whose favorite color is purple left your bank, and 1/3 of the females whose favorite color is green left your bank. So do you think that you could somehow apply this information in the foreseeable future to prevent other customers from leaving the bank, or as they call it, churning from your bank? And that is exactly what geodemographic segmentation is. What you would do going forward is you would take another sample of your customers, or even perhaps all of your customers, and the first thing you would do is you would find out their gender, which you already know, and their favorite color. Once you found out their favorite color, based on your prior experience, you can group them or segment them. And this is how you would segment them. The first group on the right here is the group at highest risk of churning. So these are females with their color red. Based on what you know, within 6 months, they're probably all going to be gone. Then the next group is the males whose favorite color is purple. Also, based on your experiment, probably 60% of them will be gone within 6 months. And then it's the females with their favorite color green, 30% of whom might be out of your bank in 6 months. Then you've got a group over here who are kind of in between. So their favorite colors match those that leave, but then their genders don't. So they might be at risk, they might not. You would give them a probability of leaving, so a certain chance, a likelihood that they will leave. And then you've got the orange and the blue, who are definitely your loyal customers and who are not going anywhere. And so this knowledge and information will allow you to further preempt any kind of churn that might occur, and perhaps talk to these customers or give them special offers or do something that will prevent them from leaving. So be proactive in your approach. And this is why it's called geodemographic segmentation, because you are taking into account factors like where these people live, in what country, what region, what postcode. Then you take into account their demographic status, so how affluent they are, what their income is, how much they bank with you, how many children they have, whether they're married or not, whether their spouses have accounts with you as well. So you don't know the future, but based on certain similarities of these customers that you're investigating right now to the customers that actually left, you can put the new customers or the existing customers into groups and assess the likelihood of leaving. And this is what we're going to be doing in this section. Well, in this section, in the next section, and the section after that. We're going to be creating a robust geodemographic segmentation model using logistic regression, because this is a 0 and a 1 situation, right? Yes, no. Did the person leave or did the person stay? And so finally, we're going to put everything together. We're going to use logistic regression to create this incredible geodemographic segmentation model that will allow us to draw conclusions and predictions on who is most likely to leave our bank and who is most likely to stay. And then we'll be able to draw insights and give recommendations. Now make sure to check out these videos on the right or the full course in the description to continue your learning, and I look forward to seeing you there.